about how to fix or how to solve the problem of files not opening on PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of files not opening on PowerPoint, you should just go to settings. In the first page, you can click on apps and you will enter to PowerPoint. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about PowerPoint and you can update your app if you will find updates in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.